welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Maxine and this is Maxine's Tips. How are you doing? It's December already and everyone is so excited about Christmas, including me, right? So last time I showed you how to renew your synthetic hair, and many people are asking me questions like, why do I need to renew synthetic hair when I can actually throw it away and get a new one? Oh my god, that was just to make sure whatever you bought, you weren't going to waste your money and it could last for a few weeks, 1 month or so if you want. But today I'm coming to you with something even better. So today I have my expensive wig which has been with me for like 3 years now, and I don't have to throw it away because I can always renew it, revamp it just the way I want. So I want to show you how to do that. So unlike with my synthetic hair, this one I need to actually use my expensive product because the wig itself is made from human hair, of course, and it came really expensive, you know, so I need to use more expensive products for it. So this is what we have here. This is how it looks, and I might try to put it on so you see what it looks like. So it's kind of really old and all bulky and, you know, doesn't look nice anymore. So I'm going to like trim it out and make it look once more as good as it was when I just got it. So please stay tuned to see the end results. In order to achieve this, I need my shampoo, Cantu shampoo, I need my Cantu conditioner, and I need my mousse. Yeah, so I'm using got to be mousse. It's very affordable. You can have it for like €3 something or €4. Same thing in dollar from any beauty shop. Yeah, and today I'm having a make do mannequin head. Guys, I actually ordered a mannequin head, but I've not had it till today, so I had to make something to look like a mannequin head, which I'm going to be using during this process, right? So I have my white to comb, my brush, my thinning scissors.
So lovely people,
and
are you ready to start the process? Please go into your basements, into your storerooms, wherever you keep those old wigs, bring them all out. We're gonna work on them. Let's start by wetting the wig to enable detangling. Let's wet from front to back and use a white comb to comb out every tiny detanglement of the wig. So we use the thinning scissors to just cut out, you know, like cut out little portions. We won't see immediately what we're cutting out unless we use the brush. So I just snip out little portions of my wig, snip them out. This actually works for all kinds of wigs, and even sometimes for the extensions that we use, like maybe we do tree braids and twists and stuff like that. We can actually use the thinning scissors to reduce the bulk of the hair any day, anytime. Then I just use my detangling brush to brush out the hair. Detangling brush actually makes sure it picks up all the extra hair that I've cut out and pulls it out, so we can be good and ready to start washing the hair. Come on over here, it's time to wash We wash our wig. I'm using the Cantu shampoo. Can you see how dirty this wig is? That's to show you how old and how many years of experience this wig has. By now, we all know that every lady needs some wig in her life. My God, this thing is a lifesaver, guys. Anytime you don't feel like sitting down to do your hair, you can just put on your wig. And what's more, it's a protective hairstyle. Like now, when it's really cold in the winter, the wig serves as a beauty something and also as a cap to protect your scalp from the cold. It's like a 2-in-1 deal, right? After air drying my wig for like 2 hours, it's ready for further work. So the washing procedure is just the same like when you're washing your hair. You use the shampoo and then the conditioner and then whatever hair oil you have. So this is like a combination of a shampoo and coils activator, so it helps me to define the coils of my wig. So now lovelies, let's throw in some mousse to maintain the curls of this wig. Now with the mousse, after you've defined your curls, when you use this, it sets the curls and it keeps it defined like this for a very long time. Yeah, so I'm going to apply a generous amount, and this is the final process of my restoration, renewal, revamping of my wig. So this is the final product, people. What do you think? Oh my goodness, look at this. It looks so new, like I just got it from the beauty shop. And this is going to last me some more years. After thinning and washing and drying, this is the end result, guys. What do you think? I'm totally loving it. So if you think I hit the nail straight on the head, please comment down below. Right, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Share, subscribe, and see you in my next video.